Unveiling the sun, the practice of oiling up for a tan. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that often pops up in conversations about summer, beaches, and skincare. Oiling up for a tan. This expression might sound straightforward, but it's packed with cultural nuances and practical advice. Let's unpack it together and understand why it's more than just applying oil under the sun. Oiling up for a tan involves two main actions: applying oil and seeking a tan. The phrase suggests preparing oneself to tan more effectively by using oil on the skin. This method is believed to enhance the tanning process by increasing the skin's absorption of sunlight. Why oil? Oils are thought to amplify the effects of the sun's rays, potentially leading to a quicker, more intense tan. This practice stems from the belief that a glossy surface can attract more sun. However, it's crucial to note that dermatologists often warn against this method due to the increased risk of skin damage and sunburn. In many cultures, having a tan is associated with health, vitality, and leisure. It suggests that one has the luxury of spending time outdoors, basking in the sun. However, oiling up for a tan is a double-edged sword. While it can result in the desired bronze glow, it significantly raises the risk of harmful UV exposure. The shift in perspective. Over the years, there's been a growing awareness of skin cancer and the importance of sun protection. The phrase, oiling up for a tan, reflects a practice that is becoming less common as people prioritize sunscreen over tanning oils, choosing health over temporary aesthetics. For those seeking a safer route to a sun-kissed look, there are alternatives. Sunscreen with SPF, sun protection factor, should be your go-to. Some products can enhance your tan while protecting your skin. Self-tanning lotions and sprays offer a tan without the sun's risks. Protective clothing and hats can shield your skin while allowing you to enjoy the outdoors. These methods highlight the importance of skin health and offer ways to achieve a tan without compromising your well-being. Oiling up for a tan is a phrase rich in cultural and health implications. While it captures a traditional approach to achieving a sun-kissed glow, it also serves as a reminder of our evolving understanding of skincare and sun safety. We hope this exploration helps you navigate English conversations about summer, sun care, and health with greater confidence. Remember, taking care of your skin is always in season. Stay safe and keep learning.